Hello, good morning. This is 𝗟𝗧𝗧 from MassMailer. Thank you so much for joining the webinar today. This is going to be a very quick one. Um, I'm sure if you are using MassMailer, you must have seen that MassMailer does provide various options when it comes to sender, such as logged in user, common sender, record owner, and also custom sender. Want to make a quick webinar just to talk about common senders and how to set it up. If you already been using it or if you're not sure how to do this, this is going to be a very quick a demo. So basically, common sender is one of the options that MassMailer provides. It's more like adding your own sender options or senders in the MassMailer setup page. And again, these are not related to Salesforce sender information. If you have anything in Salesforce directly, Salesforce CRM, global sender or whatever they call as, that it's not related to the same thing. So MassMailer does maintain its own common senders, and that is provided to the recipient when they're actually looking at the options. So you can set this up by going to MassMailer setup, provided you have an admin access. If you do not have admin access, just ask your admin to help you with this. So you have to go to MassMailer setup, email settings, and then sender options. You can see common sender basically is one of the sections there. And you can also specify any common sender as the default common sender. That way, that's what is shown when you're actually trying to select this common sender, the default one. And this is the UI. And again, I'm actually going to show it to you live. So basically, email settings, sender settings, and then common senders is a section where you can see add and delete, modify, all of that. And where do you actually use this? So when you're in the outreach, there is a step where it is called sender options, under which you're basically selecting the sender, right? And select the common sender, right? And drop down will show you all the common senders that are actually set up for your org. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I'm actually gonna show you in Salesforce. So I'll show you where you can actually set this up. We basically have to go to the MassMailer setup by going to MassMailer app. And if you're not sure, so you basically go to the MassMailer Lightning app and then MassMailer setup. And here, email settings. And then you have an option here, sender settings. And you can see common sender. So if you want to add one more, so all you have to do is just add that. An example, maybe accounting, concept, MassMailer, tire. And we already said this is a default, and this is not a default. So you would basically set that. And you can always edit this or delete. So edit is just editing, and delete is that. So that's very simple, as you can see. And now when you're actually sending out an email, let's say you want to send an email, I'm just going to go to the outreach wizard here. Or if you're coming from contacts, campaign, whatever is the option, pretty much all of them work the same way. So I'm actually going to go see if I have any list view here. So seems like I have something. Just go select a contact list view. This process is the same for any approach. If you're coming from campaign, Salesforce list view, however you actually try to come to this UI, that's same process. I'm just going to type in something here. I'll skip this page as well. So when you come to the sender options, you have this sender options, right? You basically select the common sender, and the default option is shown here. And if you want to flip to other one, that's fine. You just have to flip to the other option and then keep going. So this becomes your sender. That's pretty much it. Nothing complicated. I thought I would do a quick video because a lot of clients keep asking, how does this really work? If you are an end user, you may not know way to set this up. So you have to talk to your admin to make sure that they can set up one of the common centers that you're looking for. And right now you can only have one default option, obviously, because it's a lookup. And then make sure that you basically change this to something else based on your requirement when you're actually sending out an email. Okay. Any questions, anyone? Can put it in the chat window or speak up. Okay, seems like no questions here. Again, this is a weekly webinar that I do, and this recording would be sent out when we are going to announce the next webinar. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or a company. And here is the contact information. And if you are new to MassMailer, feel free to get on a trial, and we can help you with a trial and then get you onboarded. So once again, thank you so much for joining the webinar today. Have a good day, have a good evening, a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.